guys, it's Lex, and today I'm back with another makeup tutorial today, except this time on me, and I'm going to be using the Kylie Jenner Holiday Palette Chill Baby, and I'm super excited to be using it today. I did this really easy light green halo eye look with it today, and it's great if you have really small eyes. It's gonna really brighten up your eyes, make them look a little bit bigger, and it's a really easy way to start introducing yourself with colors. And it's a very light green, not scary at all. It's very wearable, very everyday. So can't wait to show you guys. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. But before you keep watching the video, make sure to thumbs up the video and subscribe to our channel to see more. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is always priming my eyes, and I'm using the IT Cosmetics Concealer in Medium with a little flat concealer brush, and I'm packing this on. Ooh, can you see me? Can you see me now? I'm packing this on everywhere, all the way up to my brow bone, and this is just gonna make sure that your shadow stays on, and it's way better than using actual eye primer. I feel like it lasts longer, and especially if you have any redness, it cancels it out. So then I go with my finger, blend it, blend it, blend it, warm up the product, packing and swiping. And then to finish it up, I take a white shadow, white powder with my finger, and I pack it on, and it's just gonna set it and give you a blank canvas to start using your eyeshadow. So I'm first going to go in with the color Cuddle Season from the palette, and I'm using my Luxie brush, fluffy blending brush, and I'm just applying it in the crease. Now you're not gonna really see much come up on camera. You're gonna see kind of like a little gray hint, but that's perfectly fine. And I'm just gonna take it and really just go to town, blending all the way up to my brow bone. It's just gonna give us the base we want to start our halo eye look. Then with my Luxie 231, which is a smaller tapered blending brush, I'm going in with the color Wrap It Up, and it's this color right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease as well. And this time lower, about right here. And I'm just gonna go back and forth all over the eye. Now this shade I'm noticing does have quite a bit of fallout, so you just want to be careful with that. That's not necessarily a bad thing. It's just something to definitely be mindful of when you are using it. And this is just kind of like a pinky warm brown, and I'm just putting it in my crease and blending. So then once I have it blended in my crease, I'm gonna still use the same exact brush, pick up a little bit more, and start bringing it down a bit to my ends of my eye, and then the inner corner, just to about right here. Still leaving some space, but just bringing it down there. And then I'm going to repeat the same thing on this eye, doing a little bit on the inner corner, bringing it down right here, and then again on the outer corner right here. And then I'll take over the leftover product and just go back and forth again, making sure it's nice and blended. Now this is a great shade for just a very like natural halo eye, and I'm really liking the shade. So Wrap It Up, really pretty like pinky brown color. 10 out of 10 would recommend, especially if you have smaller eyes, because it's going to make your eyes look a little bit bigger and brighter. So, and this is exactly what we want the look to do today. So I'm just gonna keep blending. So then the next step of this halo eye is taking a flat concealer brush, like a tiny one, and this is a Kylie Cosmetics one. It doesn't have a name on it. I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, any concealer is gonna work, and I'm applying it to the middle of my eyelid like this, and I start by just doing a line, and I'm applying it on my lid, and I'll open my lid because I want to see where it touches, and then I'll drag it down some more, and I'm just focusing it on the center of my lid, not too much. And I know it's gonna look crazy, but this is perfect what we're trying to do. So once it's in the middle applied, I then take the edges of the brush and slightly dab it out. I'll do the same thing to the other side. It's gonna start looking a little more blended on the side, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Alright, and this is gonna create the base for the shadow that we're putting in the center. Now this step is a step I like to do. You don't necessarily have to do it because it is a little extra time, and if you don't have the brush, you can skip this step altogether, but it does provide better stickiness for the pigment we are laying on top. So then with another flat packing brush, this is an eyeshadow brush now, I'm going in with the color Night Before Christmas. It's this greeny, light green color, and it's gonna look really good if you have brown, hazel, or green eyes. So that's why I picked it up, and I'm going to pick it up on my brush. And I'm packing, not swiping, to get the most pigment. And just pretend you don't have a Perlu hair on your brush, and you're just gonna pack it like this on where you just applied the concealer. So packing, and that's gonna give you the most payoff, is putting it on wet concealer. So I'm just applying it, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. So it's gonna look a little crazy, but that's completely okay right now. We're not finished. We're gonna go again with the small tapered blending brush I was using before. I'm going in with the color Hello Winter, and it's a dark purpley color. And I'm gonna just grab a little bit of it because something's telling me this is gonna be pretty pigmented. And I'm going to go on the outer corner of the eye, and then again on the inner corner of my eye, just putting a little bit and kind of using a packing motion. And then I take it and I'm gonna go in the crease, and this is going to blend not only the first transition shade but also the green shade and blend it in. So I'm just going to do that on both eyes, and then really take the time to blend it in. And then with just a little bit of extra, I'm going, because I want it a little bit darker, I'm going to keep blending. And here it is, all blended out with that shade we just added. And what I'm gonna next do is I'm gonna take my fingernail, actually, not my fingernail, my finger. I'm going back in with the Night Before Christmas. This is also how you can get the most pigment, and like, look at that shift. And I'm going to press it on the middle of my eye to just get a little bit more of the pigment that we blended away. And there you go. This is your halo eyeshadow. So as you can see, it is nice and blended, and it really like focuses in on where your like pupils are, and it really pops your eyes out. And this is perfect for a person who has hooded eyes or smaller lid space. Really makes your eyes pop. And then what I'm going to be doing is with a small angled brush, this could be an eyebrow brush, I'm going to wrap it up, that transition shade we used, and I'm gonna go underneath my eye, right, not on the waterline, but right above it, and do the eyeshadow underneath. So then I'm going to take the color Hello Winter on the same brush. I'm actually going to do it on this side. It'll probably be easier to see. And I'm going to focus it on the outer part of my eye. To finish this look, I'm going to be using my NYX eyeliner. And I'm just going to do a plain eyeliner over my eye, no wing, no anything, because I want to keep it very open, very light, and very bright, like an everyday kind of look. Then I'm going to go put on mascara, and I'm going to put on eyelashes because, as you can see, I'm not really blessed with Chloe's eyelashes. So, and also even if you have long eyelashes, you can really dress up this look with a pair of fake eyelashes. So. Alright guys, so lashes are on, so now we're going to finish out this makeup look. And normally I would go in with my finger for this, but since I have long nails, I can't really get in there, so I'm going to go in back with this little angled brush, and I'm going to take the color no, actually I'm not taking that color, I'm taking the color Jingle Baby, and it's this light pink color. And it looks actually like it's coming out of the pan. Yikes. And I'm just going to take a bit of it and put it on the inner corner of my eye. And it's really just going to give a pop. So, and it's reflective. It's a really pretty color. And it's, you know, give it a little extra pop. It's really going to open up your eyes, your tear duct. That's what it's called, your little tear duct you're going to put in. And it really just opens up, gives a little extra. And then I'm going to take the same thing and do the same thing and go on the highest part of my brow bone and put it there. It's also going to highlight your brow bone. Do a little bit on the other eye, and there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching our YouTube video today. And as always, if you liked the video, leave a thumbs up on the video and subscribe down below to see more. And as always, please let us know what you would like to see in the comments. See ya.